Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when the screen rotation isn't working on your Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so first, open up your settings. Now open up the display settings, scroll down, and make sure that the auto rotate screen is simply enabled right in here, because there's a simple chance that it wasn't turned on your device. Now, to verify it, we can open up the apps in which we can find out does the screen rotation works. So now we just need to simply flip the phone, and as you can see, the screen rotation works just fine. When it comes to the YouTube, now let's open up the other app. Maybe let's open up the Chrome. Oh, actually, alright, it will work. So now rotate the phone, and as you can see, the screen also rotates. So when it comes to that, it works properly. Also, you can simply reset your device to see if that helps, because during the restart, also the sensors of the rotation are being restarted, so it also might help. To do it, hold the power button. Now simply hit on the reboot, and then tap again, and after a few seconds your device will be automatically turned on back again. Also, you can simply open up the settings to check if there are some software updates. If there are, they'll appear right in here on the top, and simply install the latest version of your software. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.